This video is to provide substitutes with a quick overview of their profile maintenance on our subservice website. Once logged in, substitutes will be defaulted to the home screen. To view profile information, substitutes can click on the blue circle with their initials and choose Settings. On the My Settings screen, defaulted is the Schedule tab. This shows the substitute's schedule of availability for the weekdays, which applies to 365 days in advance. This tab also shows the do not call times that have been set by the substitute. Both are editable by clicking on the pencil icon. Notifications is where substitutes can view and modify their notification settings for emails, push notifications, which go to their cellular phone, and text message notifications. Classifications tab will display a listing of the individual classification as well as any group classifications. Substitutes cannot make modifications to these. Any requested changes should be reported to the district you're employed with. They will then update our system operator of any approved changes to make. The Personal tab shows the substitute's personal information. Name changes and address changes should be reported to your district. They will then update our system operator of any approved changes to make to those fields. The email, password, and PIN fields are editable by clicking on the Edit links. This tab also shows the substitute's contact information, including their callback number, the phone number that they have designated our system contacts them for substitute jobs. The phone number can easily be changed by typing over the existing phone number. Substitutes can also enter a temporary do not call, which is good for up to 24 hours from the current time. Substitutes can even block phone calls from our Smart Find Express system. This block can be added or removed as many times as needed. Please note, if you are no longer interested in substituting, instead of blocking your calls, please notify the district that you're working with that you wish to be removed from their substitute list. The district will then update our system operator of the approved changes to make. An additional feature to our subservice platform is the question mark icon. The Help Center will display our OCM BOCES substitute call-in service help desk information. The online help feature is provided by our vendor. Please note that not all features are available with the OCM BOCES substitute call-in service. The question mark icon can also be found on the home screen. It's important that your profile information is kept up to date and is reviewed often. A good rule of thumb is to update it each marking period throughout the